Welcome to Jack and Jenny on Exped. We are Chris and Jane, two Royal Navy veterans together on life's journey. We hope you'll join us along the way.
Hello.
Hi, lovely to see you again. We have something a little different for you today. Jack and Jenny are not expeding, but we do have a good reason, and Chris will tell you that in a moment. But don't worry, there are plenty more Jack and Jenny expeds coming up in the future.
Earlier this year, we had an ice storm. The ice storm lasted for 36 hours. However, during that time, there wasn't one full minute in which there wasn't some crash or bang of something falling onto the house. But you'll see that coming up.
Damage was so severe and widespread that a state of emergency was declared. We were without power and water for 13 days. We cooked and heated water on our wood fire, which was kept burning for heat as temperatures dropped to minus 18 degrees centigrade. We're grateful to friends from out of the area who travelled to bring us a care package, volunteers at the emergency centre where we were able to get water, and the hydro crews who worked tirelessly in extreme conditions. Damage to the house repaired, a huge cleanup began. It will take a long time to completely tidy up, but nature stops for no one and carries on as normal.